I'm going to show you how to decorate your knitting with surface crochet. Surface crochet is very easy and fun technique which helps you to decorate your knitted items with vertical stripes. I use this technique for a few of my recent designs, included Tama scarf, Tama hat, and Tama poncho. Prepared a swatch. Here you can see some knitted horizontal stripes in contrast color, and I'm going to use the same color for the vertical stripes. Basically, you can do the surface crochet on any stitch you want, but to make the fabric neat and pretty, I recommend to work this technique on a stockinette fabric and make a purl columns exactly where you want to place your vertical stripes. Purl columns will also help us to make sure that our vertical stripes are straight, and it helps us to see where to place our crochet hook to make a next stitch. To start working the slip stitches, you need to place your yarn behind your knitting. Find your purl column and place crochet hook into the first row of this column. Catch the yarn and pull it catch the yarn and pull it through. So now you've got your first stitch on your hook. Find the second purl row, insert your hook, wrap the yarn around hook, pull through. You've got 2 stitches on your hook now. Pull the first stitch through the second, and you've got your first chain. Insert your hook into the next purl row, wrap the yarn around, pull through. You've got 2 stitches on your hook again. Pull the second stitch through the first, another chain is made. Now you can continue those steps until end of fabric. Make sure you not over tight your stitches. If you crochet a bit tight, you can take a bigger hook or try to loosen your stitches a bit. Also, depending from your idea, you can crochet into every purl row, or if you want longer chains, you can crochet into every second row. here are my first vertical stripe. At the end of row, you fasten off the same way as you do this for knitting. Now let's decorate the heart with this technique. To make the life easier, I left the top of heart open. Make sure that your yarn end is long enough to keep the stitches safe without unraveling. Actually, I normally pull the yarn through open stitches twice. Then I will just tighten this like this from the wrong side and make a knot. So now I need to place the end of my yarn through the open hole. Find the first purl column. Here I will start making slip stitches into first purl row straight up the heart ribbon. So here my yarn. I insert my hook into the first row or round if you're talking about knitting in the round. Catch my yarn and make the first stitch. Insert your hook into the second purl round, wrap the yarn around, pull through. Here we've got our 2 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the second stitch through the first. Here our first chain. So repeat the same steps as I showed you for the flat swatch. Again, make sure you are not tighten your stitches. You can also here make your stitches into every row or into every second row. It all depends on your idea. Work till very end. Until the work until very last purl row. Cut the yarn and bring it to and fasten off. Now you need to pull your working yarn to the wrong side. So here your first vertical line. Repeat it until all purl columns are filled with stitches. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. I hope you love this new technique. Make sure to check my knitting patterns. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need any help with my patterns. I'm really looking forward to see your new hats and scarves decorated with this fun technique. Happy knitting!